Today, we'll be creating a space animation using Python's turtle module. Let's dive into the code. We start by setting up our space using the turtle module. The screen background is set to black, and the title is Space Animation. Next, we create stars using a turtle named stars. We define a function drawStar to draw a star at a given position. Then, we draw 100 stars randomly on the screen. Now, let's add a spaceship to our space. The spaceship is a red triangle, and we position it using the turtle module. We define a function moveForward to move the spaceship forward, and then we set up a keyboard binding. Pressing the up arrow key will trigger the spaceship to move forward. Finally, we have our main loop. It constantly updates the screen, allowing our animation to run smoothly. And there you have it, a simple space animation using Python's turtle module. Feel free to experiment and enhance the code. Happy coding! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more coding adventures.